Salam, salam. This is Unity. I wanted to show y'all some of the earring that's on both of the sites. This is an order. This beloved sister been ordering me for a while now. I wanted to show y'all some of the items that I made from her, which it's probably 2 pair that's not I'm not duplicating because they are one of a kind. Okay, so this first pair, she wanted a custom pair made with her name on it, and I put like a little unk right here. And this is, if you want to learn how to make the base of this, I have a video saying how to make earrings out of vertical slack designs. That link will be in the description box, so you can learn how to make these earrings. They fabric earring. This is the back of them. Yeah, she wanted them in a fuchsia color, so I used like the base of it was this fabric. And what I did, I used different color pinks, which were fuchsia, and it just worked really good. They are very cute. So that's the first pair, which this pair, this shape will be duplicated, but not this design. This is her original design. Let me show y'all these, which I'm pretty sure y'all done seen in hauls. These are one of my best sellers. I sell these on both sites. I sell them on K.Noir Designs, and I sell them on boabwart.com. Hot sellers. The back is just black, and all my work is signed on one. They on both sites. They on K.Noir Designs, and they on Boabw, boabw.com. Duplicating that pair. This is another pair that's on Knoirdesigns.com. It's a few of these will be made, and it's called Black Power Kisses. And she got her little lipstick. In the back have this little design on it. So cute. And then this is her lipstick. Black Power Kisses. The back have the same design on it. Alright, these are on Knoirdesigns.com. This pair is a few of a kind will be made of these, and these are on Knoirdesigns.com. And they stoplights. You know, I had said in one of my videos that it was interesting how the pattern is like a Rasta color or like African color flags of the traffic lights. And guess what? A black man created the traffic lights. I just found that out. I put his name across the screen. So that's why. But wow. That is why he used African colors. Alright, y'all. So these, it's a few of these going to be made. They are listed on Knoirdesigns.com. This is one of my best sellers. I'm making them consistently. Here go another pair that's going out to someone. I'm always making these, and they are my hot sellers, and they are on boabwart.com. Oh, some more that she got. These right here are one of my hot sellers also, and these are on boabw.com, and they are one of my best sellers, and I love creating them. This is the back of them. And this is the front. So fly. I love creating these. Another pair that is my best sellers, hot sellers. They are on Boabw, boabw.com. And it is these right here. I love creating these. The colors, they're going to be so fly in the summertime when people get in their maxi dresses and they short sets and flip-flops, and got rocking a pair of Boabw earrings. Yes, yes. So these are on boabw.com. Another pair, this is the last pair that this beloved sister ordered. So when I be telling y'all I be busy, because when these orders come in, I take my time with each piece. I make sure I put good energy in it. I look at that person's name, feel whatever they're going through, and I put positive energy in each piece. So it takes a while for each piece to be made. So this is one of my pieces that is a hot seller. When I did the video, please don't copy my work. These was a pair that I was rocking, and these are one of my favorite pairs to do. So I'm thinking I'm going to do her on a big piece because she is fly. Her and her sister, or her cousin. Yeah, so this is the back. And I on my video finger painting, I show y'all how I finger paint. You know, each finger paint going to be a little different. So this is all the ones that she ordered. And with that, when she ordered from Knoirdesigns.com, at the time, I had a free giveaway. I mean, if you purchase something, you would get a pair of these for free. So she got these for free. And if you go to that site, you can order these by theirself. That's just a sister with some little shades on. And she got some a chunky afro. That's made out of popcorn. And if y'all want a DIY video on how I made these, I will surely do it. Put it in the description box. Alright, so that's what I wanted to show y'all. And I think I might do this consistently. Show y'all the different. And this is a way that I can really show videos when I have orders that's getting ready to go out. I can show y'all what I've been working on. So for the people that haven't seen some of the designs, because there's so many over the last couple of years that y'all probably haven't seen. So it will be so cool to do these videos. Let me know if y'all interested in seeing the videos that some of the items that some people order. I'm just making sure all these got backs on them. And so they could go home to their mommy. And I want to thank you all for supporting. Go check both of the websites out, boabw.com and Knoirdesigns.com. On K.Noir Designs, I have some videos to show you some how to freehand videos. And I have some stencils. So if you want to get in the earring game and you feel funny about drawing and you need a little help, you can purchase my how to do videos, or you can purchase my Afrocentric stencils, and they are on Knoirdesigns.com. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.